Let's connect Yelp to your QuickHub account so customers can find and review you easily. From the QuickHub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews, then open the Dashboard tab. Click Add Platform and choose Yelp. Add location. Enter your business name, country, state, and zip code for accurate results. Click Add Business, then select Save. Confirm that Yelp now appears under your connected review platforms. That's it. Yelp is linked. New reviews will now flow into QuickHub, so you can monitor and respond all from one place. Want all new reviews to go straight to Yelp? Here's how to set that up. From the QuickHub dashboard, go back to Quick Reviews, then open the Dashboard tab. Click Reviews, Redirect Site. Change the platform to Yelp. Now open Metrics to confirm the change and see how your review flow is tracking. If needed, adjust the platform filter to Yelp and review the updated metrics. That's it. Future review requests from QuickHub will now direct customers to Yelp, and your metrics will reflect Yelp activity for easy monitoring.